Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad M5 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. This will show you a list of notifications along with the toggles. I'm going to swipe down on the toggles once again to extend them. And obviously we're looking for power saving mode, though it looks like by default it is not added. So we're going to click on this little pen icon right over here. And it looks like we're going to get bamboozled because there is still no power saving mode accessible in here. So in this case, I guess the other option is to navigate to the settings and then battery right over here. And here we have our power saving mode. Now it also gives us a estimated time that the device will run on power saving mode. So right now we're looking at about 33.5 hours. With power saving mode we are bumping up to almost 46 hours, which is a decent bump. But I want to point this out: when you enable it, the power saving mode, the time that it shows you isn't necessarily accurate, because if I were to, for instance, drop the brightness, I literally cannot see it now, but 51. Ooh, so it actually does adapt. Well done. Most of the devices don't do that, so I just wanted to point that out. So it actually gives you tries to give you an accurate time based on your actual settings on the device. So if you turn on some toggles that consume power, it will actually count them in and give you a new kind of timer. So with the brightness that I have right now, okay, the percentage just changed and the time just fell off the cliff. But anyway, with that being said, if I, for instance, make the screen brighter, you'll see that the time will go down even further. So whoop. Yep, so we cut another 9 hours by just maxing out the brightness. And if I drop it down to half, you'll see that it, again, changed about 7 hours. So there we go. Now with that being said, going to this toggle right here, the power saving mode looks like it's only accessible in here in the settings under the battery section. So once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, unfortunately you will need to navigate back into here and toggle it off manually, instead of having the typical toggle when you pull down your notifications as you would normally do. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.